Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how you can connect your Galaxy Buds Plus to your Windows computer. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that these buds are not connected to any other devices. So disconnect it from your Samsung devices, from your phone, and once that is the case, all you have to do is go to your Windows computer, press the Windows key, and then write Bluetooth. And once you're in this Bluetooth setting, go add Bluetooth and/or device, Bluetooth, and then this is where you open the case and we'll start looking for devices. Yeah, so press on it and click, and then it should say setting up device right there. And then it is paired, and now you're good to go. So just press play and you should be all good. Please put a comment if you have any questions. Thanks.